Hello, David here at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong. Today we are on a 2024 Harris Grand Mariner 23 foot. Beautiful white with a black accent. Power ion tower above my head with tower speakers. We have dual SIMRAD screens and a 300 horsepower white Verado. This boat is absolutely gorgeous with a dark tan interior, white accent color interior. Fully loaded with stereo system, lights, custom matched gridding on the interior and cross stitching. Come on down MarineMax, let's go for a ride. We'll show you the rest of the boat. Okay, we've left the dock. We took a nice ride out on the lake. As you can see, there's tons of room between me and my cameraman on this 23 foot Grand Mariner. I want to show you some features specific to the Grand Mariner. If you notice, the accent color is brought into the interior. We also have cup holders, charge ports, little pockets for your cell phones, your keys. Every seat base is hinged, molded out of plastic, and they're weather resistant, so all your stuff can stay dry in here. As I move farther back on the boat, we have our in-floor storage. Very, very large compartment in the center tune. We also outfitted this boat with a change house. You can also get this with an optional table. As you can see, we have dual captain's chairs. Both chairs have charge ports, wireless charge ports for your phone. I'm going to move up here to the helm. You can see we have dual SIMRAD screens, our JL audio control, head unit, tilt steering, soft hook switches on the right. Our binnacle over here is showing digital throttle, digital shift with active trim. I don't know if you've noticed or not, but the engine is actually running right now. That's how quiet this motor is. Okay, we're on the other side of the boat now. On the aft, you can see we have these safety chains with this rail system. This allows you to be inside the boat while underway safely. When you shut the engine off and you stop at your sandbar or your cove, simply remove the chains. You have access to the boarding ladder. We've also outfitted this boat with an aftermarket diving board. Pretty neat feature. Our safety rails also include fender storage, tieless fenders. These clip right into the side of the boat. Our large sun pad here with a backrest that goes all the way flat. The backrests also come up and click in different presets. Storage under here with a cooler. There's more features on this boat. I'd love to show it to you. It is in the water. Come on down and let's go for a ride. This is David from MarineMax. Thank you for your time.